Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will learn some important points related to the lesson Globe, a Model of the Earth from the 6th class Social Studies textbook. A globe is a model of the Earth. It shows the shape of the Earth, the land and water, the continents and oceans, and the countries of the world. Earth looks like a blue moon because a large portion of the Earth is covered with oceans. Earth is like a ball, spherical in shape. Actually, the Earth is not like a perfect sphere, not perfectly round. It is a little pressed at the two poles and bulged slightly in the middle around a line called the equator. However, this is so slight that most globes and maps do not show it at all. Scientists in ancient period in India and Europe had figured out that the earth was like a ball or sphere. Therefore, later around 1492 CE, sailors like Columbus, an Italian explorer, set out from Europe with the hope of reaching India. There are 5 great oceans. They are Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. There are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia. Antarctica is one of these ice-covered continents. The North Pole has a frozen ocean and the South Pole has a huge accumulation of ice on it. This is called the Antarctic Shield of Ice. The Earth rotates every day from the west to the east. If you draw an imaginary line connecting the two poles passing through the interior of the Earth, it will form the axis or the line around which the Earth rotates. Latitudes. Latitudes are the imaginary lines that are drawn from west to east. The longest of these lines is called the equator. It divides the globe into 2 equal halves called hemispheres. Longitudes. These imaginary lines run from one pole to the other. Unlike the latitudes, these lines are of the same length. There are two main longitudes. The Greenwich line, which is also called the 0 degrees longitude. The International Date line, which is also called 180 degrees east or west longitude. The latitudes and longitudes create a net that covers the map and helps us to locate places. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.